How to remove WhatsApp from other devices. Log out from other devices. So go ahead and open your WhatsApp. In here, click on the gear or the settings icon. It's on the lower right corner of the screen. In this page, choose linked devices. You will then be directed to this page where a list of all linked devices to your account will be shown. Now, to remove the device that you want to log out your WhatsApp account from, tap on that. This setting will then show and then click on log out. Just tap on log out again, and after that, your WhatsApp account from that certain device will be automatically logged out. If you wish to do that to several devices, just do it again. Tap on the device, log out, log out again, and you will successfully remove WhatsApp from that other device. So that is how to remove my WhatsApp from other devices. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.